Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Snowflakes puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Vladimir Krasnoukhov. Difficulty level of the Snowflakes puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 3 snowflakes inside the frame, and not only put them inside the frame but also make a symmetrical shape. As you can see, it is very difficult to put all of them inside. The puzzle is made so tight that even the solution requires very precise moves to put parts inside. As you can see, there are 3 snowflakes here. If you put all of them together, you will find that they are all exactly the same, and the frame has quite unusual shape as well. And as I mentioned, when you put a couple of snowflakes inside, that's fits nicely, but then when you try to stick the other one, the third one, inside, there is not enough space for it. So you have to figure out the correct way how to put all 3 of them inside. If you like how the Snowflakes puzzle looks and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.